In this video, we will show what happens when there's an increase in labor supply. An increase in labor supply means that there are more people that are willing and able to work. This could happen, for example, if there was an increase in the population or there are new entrants into the labor force. Let's set up our labor market equilibrium. We have an upward sloping labor supply curve and a downward sloping labor demand curve. We'll label the horizontal axis with the quantity of labor, i.e. the level of employment. And we'll label the vertical axis with the wage, i.e. the price of labor. And we'll label the original equilibrium point W1 for the original wage and L1 for the original level of employment. An increase in labor supply means the labor supply shifts to the right. Let's label the new equilibrium W2 and L2. We can see in the new equilibrium, relative to the original equilibrium, we have an increase in employment and a decrease in wages.